Hi there, Lindsay here, the Frugal Crafter with a Frugal Friday tip. And this is a very useful tip. It's very quick and I hope you enjoy it. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I needed some envelopes. So I just need some business envelopes for mailing bills and whatnot. And I grabbed this. I love it because it has a peel and stick flap on it. But the problem with these envelopes is they're so cheap that like you can see right through them. And so I didn't really want to mail things with personal information like a check in there. So I decided I would line them, use up some scrapbook paper that I am not crazy about, and make these envelopes useful. And even if you have really good quality envelopes that aren't see-through, you could also use it just to be fancy. So there's a few that I've done already. Very, very easy, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you want to do, I mean, look how thin these envelopes are. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but they're like typing paper thin. They're super thin. So what you want to do is take a ruler and you want to measure the distance between the bottom of the envelope and the adhesive, right? So you want to be just under the adhesive, maybe like 1/8 of an inch under the adhesive. So that would be 4 3/4 for this envelope here. And then you want to measure the length of the envelope, okay? Because this is how wide your liner is going to be. And this one is about 9.5, so I need a little room to be able to slide that in. So I'm going to do 9 3/8. So you want to cut your scrapbook paper, and this is a great way to use up that old paper that you're not crazy about. You want to cut your paper to 9 3/8 by 4 3/4 or whatever your measurements are. And then after you do that, you've got your beautiful paper here. What I'm going to do, and you can do this after, but it's easier if you do it first, and it's quicker. I'm going to put a strip of adhesive here, and I'm going to go almost to each end. So I'm leaving about 1/4 of an inch to, actually about 1/2 of an inch unadhered on each end. And you're going to carefully slide that into the envelope. And you're going to push it all the way down. And this is going to give you like the security feature on your envelope, so people can't, hold it up to a light and see what maybe you have a top secret love letter you want to send away and you don't want anyone to hold it up to the light and read it. I don't know what you got going on in your life, what sort of fabulous life you're living. You got some secrets you don't want you don't want people to see. I have nothing so exciting going on in my life, but there you go. And there you have it. You have a beautifully lined envelope. So then when you go to use it, all you're going to do is you're going to fold it on that crease. And you can do that ahead of time so all your envelopes are ready to go. And there you have a beautiful envelope. So when you're mailing off your, your tax bill or whatever, the tax office will have a beautiful little envelope, or your admiree or whatever. You got a beautiful envelope to send your stuff in, and nobody can read your personal information. But there you have it. A quick fix for the cheap, cheap, cheap Dollar Tree envelopes. Hope you found this useful. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. And plus, it's just a fun way to dress up your envelopes. You don't have to be cheap. Look, you can see the pattern through this envelope. So, when you put your check in there, make sure the check is facing your pattern paper, I guess. I couldn't believe how thin these were. But anyway, it's a great way to fix them and use them and, not waste them. So there you go. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye.